Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best drafting tabletop is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for artists, architects, engineers, and designers who demand precision and comfort in their work, transforming any ordinary desk into a dedicated creative hub where ideas can flow freely and designs come to life with unparalleled accuracy, ergonomic support, and the perfect angle for every intricate detail, making your creative process smoother and more efficient than ever before. Number 5. Yaheetech Drafting Table with Stool. Discover a drawing table designed for durability and stability. It features a robust powder-coated steel frame and a tempered glass top, ensuring years of reliable use. The accompanying stool is equally sturdy, supporting up to 265 pounds. Achieve your ideal working posture with its versatile tilting tabletop. This spacious surface can be adjusted up to 40 degrees and locked into 5 different heights. It provides the perfect view for all your creative projects. Say goodbye to worries about spills and marks. Its tempered glass surface and water-resistant metal stand make cleaning incredibly simple. A quick wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes to keep it pristine. This innovative piece adapts to your needs. When flat, it transforms into a spacious writing or computer desk. Its transparent glass also makes it an excellent light table for detailed work. Keep your workspace organized with its 2 convenient storage drawers. Its sleek design, featuring a black finish and transparent glass, adds a touch of modern elegance to any home office or studio. What we like. This drafting table stands out with its tempered glass tabletop, height adjustability, and included stool. These features offer a versatile and comfortable workspace for various projects. If you're looking for a complete drafting setup with a modern aesthetic and easy cleanup, this one is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. U.S. Art Supply Large Wooden Drawing Board Easel. Discover the perfect platform for your artistic and technical endeavors. This large surface provides ample room for all your big projects, whether you're an artist, designer, or architect. Customize your workspace with ease. It offers 5 different angle positions, allowing you to work comfortably and precisely for sketching, painting, or drafting. Stay organized and productive with its thoughtful design. It includes a sturdy pencil ledge, a drafting T-square, and a locking storage drawer to keep your tools secure and accessible. Crafted from seasoned beechwood with a natural oil finish, this easel is designed for longevity. Its robust construction ensures durability and functionality for demanding creative and technical work. Transform any surface into your dedicated creative hub. This adjustable board is perfect for studio work, classroom settings, or home use, catering to both hobbyists and professionals. What we like. This board's compact, portable design, multiple angle adjustments, and a built-in storage drawer are its main highlights. These elements make it highly adaptable for various creative tasks and environments. If you need a dedicated, organized workspace that can be easily moved or set up on any existing table, this board is perfect for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points can be extracted. Number 3. YITAHOME Height Adjustable Desk with Charging Station. Introducing the YITAHOME Height Adjustable Desk. This innovative desk ensures your devices are always charged. It features 2 USB ports, 2 power outlets, and a long power cord for ultimate convenience. Experience unparalleled flexibility. Its 360-degree swivel wheels allow you to move it effortlessly, and 2 can lock for stability. Adjust its height from 25.6 to 41.34 inches, letting you comfortably sit or stand as you work. Find your perfect angle with its 5-angle tiltable tabletop. You can tilt it from 0 to 45 degrees for comfortable drawing or reading, preventing you from bending forward. A clever stopper keeps your item secure, while one side remains flat for essentials. Keep your workspace organized and efficient. This desk offers a wide tabletop and an open storage shelf for your daily items. Plus, a side storage bag and an added hook provide extra space for headphones and other gadgets. Assembly is a breeze with this desk. Each piece is clearly labeled with a letter or number, and the instructions guide you every step of the way. Should you need assistance, their support team is ready to help promptly. What we like. Its integrated charging station, portability with wheels, and a unique tiltable tabletop with a flat section are key differentiators. These features provide ultimate convenience and flexibility for modern workflows. If you frequently move your workspace, need power outlets close by, and appreciate a versatile surface for both work and drinks, this desk is a game changer. What people say. Number 2. ZENY Drafting Table with Stool and Storage. Discover the ultimate creative hub for all your artistic endeavors. This versatile desk is perfect for reading, writing, crafting, painting, and more, adapting to your every need. Find your perfect working posture with ease. Its height adjusts from 28 to 35.8 inches, and the main tabletop tilts up to 60 degrees, making your artwork more comfortable and accessible. Enjoy a generous main wood tabletop for your projects. It also features a convenient slide-out table, providing extra space for your tools, laptop, or a refreshing drink. Keep your supplies organized and within reach. It includes 2 slide-out drawers, a storage shelf, and a handy pencil box, ensuring everything has its place. Crafted with a durable steel frame, this desk offers exceptional stability for long work sessions. Its protective rubber feet also safeguard your floors and keep it firmly in place. This comprehensive set comes with a comfortable 20-inch high stool. It's ready for painting, sketching, sculpting, or any other art project you can imagine, right out of the box. What we like. This desk features an innovative double tabletop design, extensive storage options, and full height and angle adjustability. These elements combine to create a highly functional and organized creative hub. If you require ample space for both your main project and secondary tools, along with significant storage to keep your area clutter-free, this desk is an ideal solution. What people say. No reviews provided in the source content. Cannot extract any points as requested. Number 1. US Art Supply X Large Wooden Drawing Board. This drawing board offers a generous 26 by 21 inch surface. It provides ample room for all your large-scale artistic, design, or architectural projects. Tailor your comfort with 6 different angle positions, from flat to upright. This allows for precise and comfortable positioning whether you're sketching, painting, or drafting. It includes a sturdy pencil-holding ledge to keep your essential tools organized and within reach. Its design also supports a drafting T-square, ensuring an efficient setup for your projects. Crafted from seasoned beechwood and finished with natural oil, this tabletop easel is exceptionally durable. It ensures long-lasting functionality for even the most demanding creative and technical tasks. This adjustable board transforms any tabletop into your dedicated creative space. It's perfect for studios, classrooms, or home use, serving both hobbyists and professionals alike. What we like. The exceptionally large work surface, offering more room than standard portable boards, combined with 6 adjustable angles, sets this one apart. This provides maximum space and ergonomic flexibility for ambitious projects. If you work on large-scale art or drafting projects and need a portable yet expansive and adjustable surface, this board will perfectly accommodate your needs. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted or quoted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.